Oo, sa ano sa inyo sa
To program with a short prayer to be led by our engine cadet then Nathaniel Aurel. He's now one of the assistant in our Iloilo office, assistant of the
And let's bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. Dear Lord, as we sit down to enjoy this meal together, we give thanks to you for this food and your many blessings in our life. We thank you for our family and ask you to continue to bless us together. In His name we pray. Amen.
Thank you again. So we may now take our seats. So, natutuwa kami ngayong gabi na lahat kayo nandito for gracing this occasion. It's actually just to say hi, hello, just to extend our thanks to your service to the company. And at the same time, as you all know, we've been here. Aside from building our Iloilo office, we are trying our best. So first, we tried to have our office. Now we are trying to bring the trainings here. So para mas madali sa inyo na pag-report at the same time, magsa-training tayo mas madali. So usually we are having this, so what we call social night, and later on we call it the family night. But now that we are thinking on how we can make it better, bigger, and even more meaningful, so we try to hold it for a while, and at the same time, we are actually doing this dinner after the trainings that we are conducting in the whole week. Before we are just holding it in the office, but now they try to bring you out. We try to look for a place where we can have it, and it's good that we have this place, which is the Kid Betis restaurant. So I think everybody have liked the place, So that's really how to say or how to say why we are here. So for now, I think I can propose a toast. So I have also with me, as you know, I think wala namang ginakilala natin nandito. So I have here with me my father.
Normally do is not this. We normally want to invite the larger audience and do it somewhere. Okay. I mean, it gets transmitted through the satellite system, doesn't rely on mobile connectivity. It's a far shot, but there is some trials which are being thought of. So we are finding it difficult right now. We were able to reach out to 400 families in Cebu and try to find out if they are okay. We also send emails to the ships, all of us, and everyone we know. Cheers.
So I think that will be a good tool for everybody, and also for myself as a chief officer. How can you correct something in the first place we don't know what you're doing wrong? So I think that would be a great tool, evaluation for the senior officers.
Wherein has completed three vessels, as a third mate. And I'm proud that I'm actually one who gave him recommendation, no? Until he has been promoted to second mate, wherein, as you can see, no? What we have noticed with this officer, he is very patient, no? And he's always without any hesitation to accept vessel assignment, which are the most challenging one. Can you imagine he has been on Vesperani, Sete Contentor, and lastly, the vessels, MV Taurus. These are most of the most challenging vessels that we have. So maybe I can also have second mate Ricardo on the floor. And we would like also to recognize and acknowledge the presence also of his wife, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. And I want to, it's an honor to share my journey in Synergy. That I've started as ratings and strive to become an officer. And then it takes me time to become an officer because I came back at about 2 months to interview. Then after that, Captain Press helped me for the interview. Then after that, it takes how many, I think three as a third officer to be and after that become a second officer. And now I've been struggle for a troop officer and ready for the next rank, sir. Yes, sir.
Any suggestions for improvement?
One suggestion.
What suggestion?
Suggestion, sir, for only if the officers will help the ratings for his missing knowledge about jobs and works. Maybe they have to teach them, sir, because there are sometimes if they are good in academic, in actual, sir, they are missing something. So you need to help them and to assist what they're missing. And that's the one I said about more on about awareness and safety culture, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for this gathering this today tonight.
When did you start? What year?
Ako pala mula sa hindi cadet since 2014. Then since Crosswood. As hindi cadet after that only 2 times. Then for general 2 times. Now is 5 times per year. Last year I take exam for management. And now for waiting for proposed or schedule. So
Room for improvement. Suggestions. Don't be
Don't
shy. You can speak.
Kana, sir.
Yung kanina sinabi ko sa'yo,
Maybe Wi-Fi.
Ano lang, sir?
Maybe Wi-Fi.
Saan ka nag-start?
What's the problem with Wi-Fi?
Di ba 4A ka pa to, sir?
What vessels?
Oo.
What vessel?
Wi-Fi.
Epaline. Columbus.
So, para mambal mo, ano mga gusto nyo i-ano, sir? I-improve.
Yung sinabi ko sa'yo.
Are you noting lang?
Yes. I am taking the...
Okay.
Thank you.
So,
Once again,
okay. You've been promoted by Chief Willie.
thank you.
Thank you is not enough.
I started my career here in Synergy as a brigadier in
Wow.
2014. And lucky, it was my birthday when I came on board. So, but I forgot my passport. So,
So what happened?
just lucky, sir, because in my flight, it's my birthday, then on board. I have become 2 in brigadier, then 2 oilers, then 4 port engineer, 4 times, and now Chief said, you will promote me as brigadier.
Mark my word.
Now, my comment, sir, is because only for a good, for an office, then the crew will still remain for me only. Because almost 1 month training if we go on Manila office. So we need lodging to free. For free. For free. It's okay. Just only a suggestion. That's only that. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for this opportunity for having us. I will share to you my journey here in Synergy. I remember I worked here in Synergy last 2022. I was fourth engineer that time. And I worked in this Synergy in a tanker fleet managed by Market, this Spanish management. I worked there in around 3 consecutive contracts. After that, they gave me an opportunity to become a third engineer. I was promoted last year. And I embarked this August and they gave me again a contract this November, this coming November. And also I experienced about this Synergy company, because this Synergy company is a good company, especially their benefits, their what do you call this? And also then HMO. I used this HMO last year when yung Katolik na nung na-hospital ako last November 2024, because my wife were trying to having a baby, but until now we're trying again because my doctor said that I have varicocele. So my doctor advised me to take this out. I use this, my benefits to help me with this, not to take my money but my Synergy, yung ano nila, yung insurance na tulungan nila ako na magamit ito sa hospital. So until now, dito tayo na Australia kasi maganda yung benefits saka yung concern nila sa ako. Kaya looking forward pa rin na dito pa rin ako magkatrabaho sa kanila. Kaya yun na po. Salamat po.
Suggestions.
For me, I suggest if it's okay, sir, that instead we can sign in contract to Manila. So if it's okay, we can sign contract here in Iloilo. Instead, we go there in Manila, even 1 day or that's all, sir.
Good evening to all of us. First of all, I would like to thank the Synergy for giving us this opportunity. I don't know what to say because I am also surprised. I thought I'm exempted for this one. So anyway, I have so many experiences with Synergy. Actually, this is my first command in Synergy, which are having a full crew vessels, full Filipino crew. Because since I was cadet, I am sailing with a mixed crew. So, and this is where I thought that maybe it's good to have a mixed crew rather than the full crew. So, but I'm happy to have this kind of opportunity that I'm sailing nowadays on full crew vessels. And you can also rely on Filipino, especially with the ratings, and it's easy to manage rather than the other nationalities, honestly. So we are also lucky enough that Synergy is doing their part. I know it's really hard, especially with the budgets and everything, that they trying to extend and trying to minimize our times on trainings and expenses staying in Manila. So by doing this opportunity that we are having now the in-house trainings in Iloilo, it's really help and lessen our burdens. Am I right? No? So another thing is, this is one of the market strategy that really, because it's nice to have so many opportunity for Ilonggos on board the vessels, di ba? No? Kasi we are one of the supplier, no? Iloilo sa in Iloilo of seafarers. So it is a great opportunity na they extend their efforts in minimizing all these expenses and times for our families. And all of our queries has been also addressed, and they are starting to do their best as well na makater din. No? They will cater all of these inquiries that we have, the benefits that we have, such as like the possibility of having this contract here in Iloilo as a point of departure, and also what else? Since I am also one of the longest experience here in Synergy, what I'm suggesting is that being loyal to the company, so in return, because there are some also, it's not because I am jealous or whatsoever. I'm just trying to emphasize with them the salary which will be in standard only, because for such, for example, I am being in Synergy for quite some time, and suddenly, it's not about money, but the thing is, it's really hard to accept. It's not good for the feeling that you're being loyal to Synergy, and suddenly some of these newly hired has given a much more higher salary than you are. So what do you think you will feel about this, right? So I hope that they will also recognize our efforts and endeavors by giving us this kind of benefits. So, and one thing is that the just cultures in Synergies, I am just, I will say that during my ups and downs in Synergy, I'm not a perfect master. I do have some, some incidents in Synergy, but as long as you can prove that it is not an intentional issues, then Synergies will give you another chance. So this is a good thing about them. Unlike some other companies, that if you have some incident or mistakes that have been issues on board, then they will just kick you out. So this is one of the good things that I have experienced here in Synergy. So I'm looking forward, I'm not getting younger anymore, and I'm looking forward to retire in Synergy. As long as Synergy exists and they're willing to hire me, then I'll be in Synergy. So that's all I want to say. And thank you very much.
On board that actually made them qualified for the promotion. Actually, not only qualified, but they actually have undergone the assessment process. They have passed it with the flying colors, and now they are actually ready. Anytime they are ready to board one of our vessels as a promoted crew. So, Ma'am Bibi, Captain Krish, and the rest of the members of the Synergy family has prepared something for you. Just as small evidence that we really and truly appreciate your effort. Okay, so let me read the message. On behalf of the entire team, we would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations on your well-deserved promotion to the rank. Your dedication, professionalism, and leadership have gone unnoticed, and the new role is a testament to your hard work and commitment to excellence. We are confident that you will continue to uphold the highest standards of seamanship and lead your crew with the integrity and competence that you have consistently demonstrated throughout your career. Wishing you calm seas, fair winds, and continued success in this new chapter of your journey. Once again, congratulations from your SGOI team. So, Magpina, can you honor? Let me listen. Okay. First, I would like to call, Third Engineer John Paul Pastana. Okay. He is now promoted to Second Engineer. Okay, third, congratulations.
Otherwise, they think you're too drunk. You're not.
This is really fortunate. With this, I can say I'm not perfect, but I will do the best I can for the company. It's great. Thank you very much.
Would you like to share something you want to?
Some
I
suggestions.
think Sir already opened up about this welfare. This kind of welfare also in connection with the in regards with the, of course, the accommodation in Manila. So I think Sir already mentioned about. I was suggesting in my mind earlier that about the airfare in going to Manila, because it's really a big help for us, especially in the provinces. So I think that's the ones. Thank you.
The staff of the Synergy Delo and training manager and as I was conducting the training here. So since everybody is talking about the training, we go to the hotel airfare. So since this one is under study, so what I suggest is the proper scheduling of the training. So, example here, once you are already signed off, when you go to your drawing manager, so they have to put our schedule. So this is the only way for this time that this schedule can help us to, of course, to adjust our scheduling. So because it's very hard for us, especially for the wife, because if a seafarers in Manila, your wife first asks you, how are you? The next thing is, where are you? And you answer. And the last question is, are you sure? So, you want proof. So you have to take a selfie that you are in the training. So
You're not the only one.
No, this is a joke, but because everybody is very serious. But I think this one can have a proper scheduling for the training. So for us here in Iloilo, we have a proper schedule. So no need for Magpina to message us. Sir, are you available for training? So since if we are already in Manila, we have a schedule. So this is your schedule. We know already. So only Magpina tell us that sure, you have no other appointment if you want to attend the
Yes.
training. So I think the time scheduling is very important for this one. Thank you, sir. That's all for me.
I'm not prepared in a way for this speaking engagement. First of all, first of all, I thank the Lord, my wife, Captain Chris, Captain Manong, Ma'am Bibi, Chief Engineer Balot, Ma'am Kina, and to everybody, thank you for the opportunity given to me to be promoted as master. And I promise I will do my best to perform well, to manage a vessel, and to keep the crew always in safety. So I know this is a big shoe to fill, and it's not an easy job. It's a big responsibility to be in this kind of positions. But I know Lord is, God is on my back, and she's willing to guide me in everywhere and everything I do. So again, to the Synergy, thank you very much for this opportunity and chances given to me. And I will do my best, I promise.
Congrats!
And for the suggestions, I think all of my colleagues have already addressed what to be suggested. So I think I have nothing to say. Already addressed it. That's why it's good to be the last one. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. My concern is, do we have any other optional medical clinics here in Iloilo besides Super Care now? So that we have an option.
Last time we visited Health Metrics.
Health Metrics.
Because in Davao we have two already,
right? In Davao we have two already. Two medical in Davao. In Cebu. In Cebu, how many medical?
Join us, Merck is just group.
Yeah.
So, what I have observed, anyway, in previous company, is a little bit less training as what we had. So I really appreciate this in-house training which Synergy is conducting at the moment, or have been doing it for a long time. So this is really good opportunity and also improvement for the rest of the crew, even the officers also. And at the same time, this is really appreciative that you are having this kind of gatherings to know all the officers, juniors at the same time, to know each other. This was never been done in my previous marks. It will only be done only when you join this class. Almost 12 years with them, it happened only once, in last year and this year. So this kind of gatherings is good opportunity, showing, knowing, and letting everybody open up for whatever concerns they have. So other than that, as I've said, discussed with the guys here before, that training is good, but sometimes you need to plan. I had an experience which I just signed up a week after. Then, what do you call it? One colleague operator called me, "Sir, can you have a training this week?" Wow, I'm not even been adjusted for after you came from the other part of the world. Then suddenly you came, "Hey, come on, can we do a little bit of 3 weeks or a month, and then can we do that?" Not just UK, of course we need some family also. So I hope this kind of practice will not happen. I hope some, or maybe happen already to you. I hope it will not continue. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Rest assured that I will give also my 100% support to him. Just tonight, they really requested me to be with you tonight to have this dinner. So small things like this to make him happy and feel supported in just a little way, just my own way of giving him the support and the love and the care for him to become inspired in giving his 100% in his work.
Ma'am, that mean you are giving a guarantee that you will not ask where he is? When he's in Manila.
I have 100% trust on him.
Anybody else?
Our ticket is what you call this? Our ticket is cancelled, but because our flight during is cancelled, the same happening second General Anthony. So our flight is cancelled, but we are already taking ticket from here. So we asked to Ma'am Eileen, but we cannot. This is sometimes.
I'm really sorry about this. Had we come to know, had it been escalated to anyone of us, we would have taken care of this. So please let me know which vessel was this particular joining, and we'll see what we can do.
They want to
You and second.
So we can take double time taking ticket from here.
So basically you lost your money.
Yeah, exactly. We lost our
And it was not reimbursed.
We have reason because we are joining, but our joining is cancelled.
We understand that. So we'll take care of this, please. Give it to us.
Thank you.
And we'll also check why this was not escalated to us. Because normally anything that relates to cost, quickly escalated to a few of us. If it was not done, then it may be easy for them. So, okay, I think maybe did I address?
Wait. Practice pa lang yun, take. Take one. 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you, Metis from Synergy Group.